What if I told you there are 10 money-making opportunities right around you that most people have never even thought of? These aren't just hustles. They're ways to earn, connect, and even make a lasting impact. Stick around because one of these could have you earning by this weekend. And number 8 might just blow your mind with its surprising demand. Welcome back to the channel. Today, SparkForge would be sharing 10 underrated offline side hustles that you can start right now. These are practical, creative, and require little to no experience. Plus, they don't just bring in extra cash, they also help you build skills, connections, and in some cases, a lasting legacy. And here's the twist. Somewhere in this list is a hustle that costs next to nothing to start but could open the door to something much bigger. So sit back and enjoy the best of what you love. Before we get started, smash that like button and subscribe for more practical and game-changing ideas like these. Assist us in serving you better, and you'll have no regrets you did. Here's a hustle that's sharp, literally. Most people don't have the time or know-how to sharpen their tools, but they need them for everyday tasks. You can start with just a $20 kit and charge $10 to $30 per item. The reward? Loyal, repeat customers who keep coming back every season. This one's a hidden gem. Families and small businesses need inventories for insurance and organization, but few have the time to create one. You can charge $100 to $300 per inventory, depending on the size. Plus, it builds trust and can lead to referrals for other organizational services. We're just warming up, but trust me, the next one is a heartwarming hustle that offers more than just financial rewards. It's about preserving memories. Families are willing to pay to preserve their loved ones' voices and memories. You can charge $50 to $200 per session, and the best part? You're giving people something priceless. You'll leave each session with a sense of fulfillment and a grateful client base. If you have a green thumb, this one's for you. Plant parents often need someone to water and care for their plants while they're away. Charge $20 to $50 per visit depending on the number of plants, and enjoy the reward of being surrounded by greenery while making money. I hope your demand is being met. I'm glad it is. Feeling inspired yet? What's next will have you turning ordinary spaces into luxury experiences and earning top dollar for it. Pop-up picnics are trending, and here's why. People want Instagram-worthy experiences without the hassle of setting them up. You can charge anywhere from $150 to $500 per picnic, depending on the details. The best part? It's fun, creative, and clients often tip generously for going the extra mile. This hustle is all about getting paid to shop. Businesses hire mystery shoppers to evaluate their service. You'll earn $20 to $50 per visit and often enjoy freebies like meals, groceries, or even clothing. The bonus? You're helping improve local businesses while making money. Shoes wear out, but not everyone wants to replace them. With a basic repair kit, you can charge $15 to $50 per repair. The reward? Happy clients who appreciate the convenience and often come back with more business. We're down to the last 3, and these are next level opportunities. Especially number 10, it's so unique you'll wonder why you didn't think of it sooner. This hustle is meaningful and surprisingly in demand. Families who live far away will pay $50 to $100 for cleaning and decorating services. The reward? Not just the money, but knowing you've provided a service that truly matters to people. After the party, the last thing hosts want to do is clean up. Enter you. You can charge $100 to $300 for a few hours of cleanup work. The bonus? You'll often get recurring clients, especially during wedding or holiday seasons. Here's the twist: miniature furniture flipping. Dollhouse enthusiasts and crafters love unique pieces, and you can sell them for $20 to $100 each. The reward? High profit margins and the joy of crafting something creative. It may sound a bit, well, unusual for some, but that's understandable. Just give it a try if the passion is there, and get ready for a laudable effect of accomplishment. The reward for passion mixed with consistent smart work is immense success. These aren't just side hustles. They're opportunities to earn money while making a difference, solving problems, or tapping into your creativity. Which one caught your attention? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I trust there were no cause for regrets. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay around for even more creative ways to boost your income. Stay sparked till I see you next with the best of what you love.